Why do you wake up at 3 a.m.? 5 hidden health reasons. Do you keep waking up at 3 a.m. almost every night? It may not be random, your body could be trying to tell you something. Reason 1. Your blood sugar may be dropping during the night, causing your body to release stress hormones that wake you up. Reason 2. Stress and anxiety can keep your brain alert even while you're asleep, making it harder to stay asleep. Reason 3. Drinking caffeine late in the day can affect your sleep for several hours and increase nighttime awakenings. Reason 4. Alcohol may help you fall asleep, but it often disrupts deep sleep later in the night. Reason 5. Sleep disorders, such as sleep apnea, can cause repeated awakenings without you realizing the reason. If this happens often or you also have loud snoring, daytime fatigue, or breathing pauses during sleep, talk to a healthcare professional. If you enjoy our content, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health videos.